be good for the insurance company. Yeah, I know it is Mad Max, really, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but that was all at water, wasn't it? That was Mad Max. Yeah, Mad Max, Beyond the Thunderdome and all that. Yeah. Oh, it has. I think this beats any other day we've... Yeah. I know. When you look over there, you think, I've never gone there. Yesterday, if you showed me this, that view, I'd have said, no, don't be silly. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna go down.
Yeah.
And get the camera ready, and I give you a sign, and then you can come down all simultaneously.
Oh, okay, right. Yeah.
But go a little bit that way, because when you stop this side, just come past me and stop.
Okay.
Otherwise you're gonna get stuck. You can give a little bit of gas, but stand up before you get to the bottom. Take it off. No, you don't have to break it off. You give a little bit of gas, just before you get to the bottom, just take that. Just stand up. Don't stop at the bottom of the thing, come past me, otherwise you're gonna get stuck.
Okay. Oh yeah, this will teach them down at the pub, won't it, right? What did you do? Did you? He said this is don't stop at the bottom anyway. There's a big bump. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll go that side of him, so we don't want to hit one another. No, is the thing, do we? Yeah. So we'll aim to go together. Sorry, we'll go down together, but we're going to end up that side of him, is the thing. Sorry, that side, so don't hit one another, is the thing. Yeah. Right. Yeah? Ah, oh. Sorry, it started going and it went quicker than I thought. Right. I don't know.